Hey guys, what is up? It is me. I am about to play, well, I'm about to, let's see what it says. Sweet. Jigsaw. There. Jigsaw. Yeah. Oh god, that is so creepy. This is... Oh! Ah! Well, I know... What is wrong? Crouch. I can't shift. There. Done. There. Now me have no more trouble. This is just a walkthrough for people that don't know how to play, just like Speedy C10 say. How? How did that even happen? Man, I must suck at this because it's been about a few months. I'm gonna see what they say. You know, I'm recording that, so say. Man, I wish Lone Wolf 52 and Creeper King 52 were here. Man, I thought my skin will actually pop out. No! Oh! I was gonna scream if I died. I held shift like Speedy told me. Apparently this nuthead is not getting it. Yeah. I don't want to be mean though, but his username was Nuthead. I'm sorry. His username was Nuthead. Or Nutjob. I don't remember. Nuthead or Nutjob. I am not lying. Hey, here. I'm gonna scream if I die. No! Lucky I am a sponsor on here, but still won't give me. See what I mean? Oh, I'm gonna wait for it to heal while I watch. While I look at my hot skin, or maybe I should change it back to an Arctic Wolf Boy. Yeah, I should change it back to an Arctic Wolf Boy. Oh! Oh! No! Sorry. Oh, come on. I'm about to scream. Okay, I'm just gonna leave and go on a Trailblazer. Winning the Master Dungeon. We'll see who's laughing after. Wait, what am I talking about? Master. Wait. I defeated that Master Dungeon. Even the cloud. Wait, what? I even completed that nether. Oh, that guy's just gonna kill himself. I'm gonna go on. This is one parkour that I heard of that I know cheats on it. Yeah, I know cheats. I think it's like this one. I think. No, wrong one. What is it? No. Is this it? I think. No. It doesn't have a ladder. It was like something. Like, I think it was this. Oh yeah, it is. It is. If you don't know how to do this one, let me show you. And you want to be quick with it, just go onto the vines and come down here. Okay? I can really walk across. Ah, crap, I failed. No. I'm gonna go on a Trailblazer. I'm gonna see if anyone's on. Okay. Oh. For you, if you never knew, no, I really am recording, so I'm just going to go to my house. Oh crap! Look. No. Look how many zombies and zombie pigmen came through that portal. Man, I was so stupid doing that. Oh. But no. No. Come on. Oh. He left. most of these people on the server don't really like me because I'm almost asking for stuff, and I would never ever go back to this freakishly house again. You there, Leo? You there, Leo? Well, well, yeah, yeah. I remember something stupid I've done on Mineplex. Wait, say what now? What? When did they add? Wow. Ultra only $5 now. When I got it, it was 30. I guess they're only doing that for the summer. Well, come on. Yes. What the? I should. There. Wait. Why was I am an ultra. Why do I have 20,000 coins? Cost. Oh gosh. Lag. Oh, lag. It's too much lag. Oh my god. What server is Towny.co? Wow. Man, I wish people still went on to Zekcraft. Well, oh, well, bye. This is the Rainbow Golden Butter thing. MC is random, signing out. Bye. Subscribe, please.